The Morning Walk, a story about our bodies in motion. I am ready for the walk. I have a head, I have an eye, I have a nose, I have a mouth. Look down at the grass. You have an ankle, you have a foot. Marcus drinks water. He has a neck, he has a throat, he has a chest, he has a stomach. Elena stretches before walking. She has a shoulder, she has an arm, she has a wrist. We walk together in the park. We have strong legs, we have healthy knees. Tom and Ellie check the time. They have strong hands. They each have 10 fingers. The human body, head, eye, neck, shoulder, chest, arm, wrist, hand, fingers, nose, mouth, throat, stomach, knee, leg, ankle, foot. Who is walking? I, you, we, they. Use have, he, she, it, use, has. A healthy morning. We have strong bodies.